Now you can create this bouncy effect on any shape in just one click using this script. If you want this script for free, then watch this video till the end. First, let's open Adobe After Effects. After open After Effects, I take a new project. Next, take a new composition. I rename it as Bouncy Effect. Now, first of all, I take a solid layer and then take a shape layer, take a rectangle. I want it a solid color, not gradient. Take a solid color and I want a rounded rectangle, so let's add some roundness in the corner. It's look good. I want the anchor point in the middle, so Ctrl Alt Home, then align this in the center. Okay, now what I will do, take the position, hit P in the keyboard. Now from position I will add this, and I want this position in the end, like 1 2 3 4 second, sorry, 4 frame, not 4 second, 4 frame. And from this position I will take from here. Now what will I do, I will go to File, Scripts. Here is a script called Bounce here, so I take this script, let's drag it here. Now how to use this? To use this, I will select this 2 keyframes, then from here in the property section I will select selected and keep the expression as it is. Now bounce it. So here you can see a nice bounce effect. Well, I think the bounce is too much, so I want to reduce the bounce effect, so I can reduce the amplitude by 20. Frequency I will keep the same, decay will be 2. So here is the nice bounce effect you will get. So you will get this bounce expression in my description box or in the pinned comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more updates.